3, 2, 1. Hi, everybody. I am excited to be back tomorrow, and I am excited to put up part 2 of your introduction to animation. So for part 1, you should have made your 5 YouTube videos, and you should have them saved to your Giphy account up here. So if you left click on your account name, it'll bring up all the GIFs that you've already posted, so you can easily download them in the future. So what you are going to do for part 2 of your intro to animation assignment is that we are going to use the create button, and we are going to start to focus on using stickers and collaging GIFs together. As a basis for your GIF collage, we're going to go to Pixlr, and we are going to create the background that you're going to put all your images on top of. So we're going to click create new image, and for our size, we're going to make this a little smaller. We're going to do 480, 360. You don't need to click transparent because this is just going to be the background that you're going to build on top of. If you want to change the color for the background, you want to left click on your main color, and you can pick it here by moving this around. So say if I wanted to get a nice purple color, I like that purple, I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to click on my paint bucket, where that's the letter G for the hotkey. I'm going to save it as purple. And then what I'm going to do is do a save as, and I'm going to save that as a PNG. And I'm going to do GIF collage background 1. Save, and I'm going to save it in that new folder where I do project for animation. Just make sure you have that folder saved, and I'm going to save this. If you want to change the color, you can click down here, change the color. You can use the paint bucket tool to fill it up again, and you could just save again. So you're going to have to save 2 of these because we're going to be 2 different backgrounds will be required for this project for full credit. When you've got those 2, we're going to go back to Giphy, and what we're going to do now is click the create button, and it says choose a photo or a GIF or choose a video. What we're going to do is bring in the photograph, the PNG you just made for the background. So I'm going to grab that green one, and now this is going to bring us to where we were at before. But instead of using text to start, we're going to focus on the stickers section. So you can look through different categories here. I can do emojis or animated text or weird. I like the weird category myself. Pretty strange stuff. But when you click on one of these guys, it'll bring it out to your canvas here. So we are going to get into some advanced GIF collaging later in Google Slides. But for right now, I just want you to use the Giphy Maker because this is kind of the easiest way to do it fast. So if I'm going to kind of maybe put this down, I can start to adjust the size here by, if you hover your mouse here, you'll be able to adjust the size down at the bottom. All right, so when you have finished your collage, make it as weird or as arty as you want. But when you're finished with this, you're going to click upload. You can tag it if you want. You can make it public, upload to Giphy. And then when you come over here, you're going to click downloads, and you're going to click download social. That's going to download. So make sure that you open that one up, and you want to make sure that you name it. So I'm going to name it my name, GIF background 1. So you do GIF background 1. Make sure that you can also cut that out and make sure that you put it in your project 4 folder. And then you'd want to do part 2. So you need to have 2 of these finished, and then you're going to take your GIF background and you are going to go to your Google Classroom and you're going to add it to the class folder. So you should, and then add it to the class project. So you should now have 7 GIFs in the folders for project 4, and then also attached to the project. 5 YouTube GIFs for part 1, and 2 of these GIF collage backgrounds for part 2. And then you're finished for today. I look forward to seeing what you make, and I'm excited to be back. Okay, bye.